living a life of crime, lies, deceit, disloyalty. Fake niggas fucked up the streets with all this poison. Anything pop off, motherfuckers recording it. Broke bitches choicing. Damn, my mama warned me. Damn, I should've listened.
We're live with attorney Akeisha L. Shabazz.
Okay, very good. Mr. Bishop is present? Yes, he is. All right, thank you so much. All right, I understand the jurors have reached a verdict.
The jurors have reached a verdict.
Shut the fuck up.
No outbursts.
Come on, Judge. Judge, you know they're gonna. Judge, you know what's going to happen, Judge.
That will not be tolerated. You will be immediately escorted out of the courtroom.
I need to
Those folks have already acted out in court.
Dollar signs.
Been sent out. They're going to remain out. So that's why.
Dollar sign CEO KYZZ.
I think it's gonna be a split verdict.
Okay, I think they're going to. It's going to be unanimous.
Shut the fuck up, dog.
Here we go. 1 second. Hold on.
All counts?
Hold on. Here it comes. Stand by. Stand by, attorney Akeisha. Stand by.
I'm listening.
He's so corny.
Mr. Bishop is not in the
God.
courtroom. He's in an adjoining courtroom. I don't know why he's not in this particular
This
courtroom. He
motherfucker's
says
so
he's coming.
annoying, yo. I gotta go to somebody else. This cat is a fucking annoying. Like, seriously.
All right, everybody in the seat. I understand that you all have reached a verdict, is that correct? Yes, and you are the foreperson? Are you the foreperson? Okay, sorry, no, it's part of the queue. Will you go ahead and hand the verdict form to the deputy? He's going to.
I'm nervous, yo.
I'm going to review it and make sure it's filled out properly, and then I will have you, enter it into the, I'll have you stand up and read it into the record and publish it. All right, and it is signed and dated. All right, everything looks like it is properly filled out. If you would please hand it back.
Okay.
And if you would, let me just. All right, this is the verdict of the jury in indictment number 24 CR 1183, State of Georgia versus Eligio Bishop. On count one, how does the jury find? Count one is rape. Guilty.
Damn.
And count two, false imprisonment. Guilty. Count three, prohibition on nude or sexually explicit electronic transmissions. Guilty. Count four, prohibition on nude or sexually explicit electronic transmissions. Guilty. And count five, prohibition on nude or sexually explicit electronic transmissions. Guilty. All right. And it is signed and dated by you as the foreperson.
Hey yo, if you enjoy this content, please support the channel at. And oh yeah, don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms, especially Rumble, because I can put content on there that I can't put on YouTube. So please support that. I will put my beacon link in the description box. That way you can follow me on all social media, Discord, Facebook, Twitter, wherever. You can follow me wherever. Please support the movement. CV Killer forever.